Hi everyone, it's Joy from Artful Homemaking, and today I wanted to share with you a tiny house RV trailer tour. We have 1 acre of land. That's the extent of our little homestead here. We've lived here about 9 years. And we have a very small house. We would love to have my mom come and stay with us, but we don't have any extra room in our house. We don't have a guest room. We don't have any extra room in the bedrooms. Our bedrooms are tiny. So for our family of 7, our house fits us, but it is a little bit small. So there's no extra room. We really wanted to be able to spend more time with my mom, and we were hoping she could come and stay with us this summer for weeks or months. So my mom came up with the idea of getting an RV travel trailer and putting it in our driveway, and then she would have a place to stay that would be comfortable, and she could have her own stuff, and she has 2 dogs. She could bring her dogs and they could stay in here with her. I just wanted to give you a little tour of that today and just show you how cute it is. I think it's super cute. I'm in the trailer right now and I just absolutely love it. Our whole family loves it. And my mom is not here at the time, so I'm filming this before she gets here. And we've had a lot of fun using it we've used it for date nights, and my kids have spent the night out here with my mom's permission. So it's actually been a really nice addition to our property because it gives us some extra space. Let's just go on a tour of it and I will show you what it looks like. So the RV sits in our driveway, and let's take a look inside. So first you enter up the steps and you're in the main living area. There's the door and the kitchen, and then you'll see there's 2 bunks to the right of the kitchen area, and then the bathroom to the right of the bunks. And there's a stove and a refrigerator, really nice stainless steel refrigerator, and a freezer. So this is the bathroom, and you'll see there's a skylight to add more light, and to the right there's a sink and a cabinet area under the sink for some storage. And above the sink there's a vanity medicine cabinet, and inside there are more shelves for more storage. The shower also has another skylight, which makes it nice and light in there. And then there's the toilet. And underneath the seating in the dining area, there are little storage areas under the seating, which I thought was really amazing. And then to the left of the seating area, there's another storage cabinet, and you could put towels or anything, toilet paper. And this is a view of what you can see outside the window. That's our backyard, and we have woods behind our house. So if you turn to the right, there's some more storage there under the entertainment center area. To the right is the kitchen area, and there's a sink and a stove and a little window over the counter. And this is the refrigerator. It hasn't been used yet. We haven't hooked it up to the electric yet. And then there's more storage for kitchen things. And that's the sink. And then back here is the bedroom area. It has a queen size bed. It may be more of a full. And then a window and a skylight, again, for more light. It's very cozy in here. And there's a little side table thing and a place to plug in. You could put a lamp or your devices. And then here you have a closet space with a little hook, a little rack for clothes, a rod, clothing rod. And underneath the bed, there's even more storage space. So if you lift up the mattress, there's a box underneath where you can store all kinds of things. And the bedroom does have a sliding door. So as far as using the bathroom and the water and taking care of the waste, my husband has set that up some way so that it will work with our septic, and so that she will be able to use her sink, she'll be able to make coffee, she'll be able to cook in here. And to run the RV, to power it, we have it hooked up to our home electric for just the basic lights and a coffee machine, small appliances, things like that. For air conditioning and heating, has a generator, and she's also going to be getting a solar panel to help with some of the energy needs. So there will have the solar panel and the generator both available to power those bigger things. I'm looking so forward to having my mom here. She's planning to come this weekend. Our whole family's excited about it, and I'm just really thankful that she was able to get it. So I hope you've enjoyed this tiny house tour. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to answer them. If you are new here, I'd love for you to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.